Hello everyone, this is Divya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in today's class, we are going to see about Python standard libraries. So start with the introduction. Here the Python standard library, which is essential tool for every programmer, that is which is discover the powerful built-in modules that is comes in your bundled with Python. Which is providing you the ready-to-use functionality for the common programming task without requiring any external installation here. So here, what is Python standard library? The Python standard library is extensive collection of the modules and which is packages that ship with every Python installation. Which is providing you the fast array of functionality, which is from the file operation to network protocols. So which is eliminating the need of reinvent common solution for the key advantages are pre-installed with Python, no additional downloads required, thoroughly which is tested and also maintained by the Python core team, and the cross platform compatibility guarantee here. Comprehensive documentation is also readily available here. So normally the library which is follows the battery included philosophy, which is providing the robust tools for the immediate productivity. So normally the standard library which is collection of module packages or with even the installation, every very vast basis of array of functionalities also available, from the functions of operations, file operations to network protocols here. So key categories were the built-in function and data types, where the built-in function is always available without importing the obviously as print of and length of and type of range of and these are the some of available without importing the particular function, right? So next we go with the core data types, where the fundamental structure that is list, tuple, district, set, str and int, float. These are the some of core data types available we are using normally. So type conversion, which is transform the data into the particular data or particular text. If it is, you go for the text in str and int, float and list disk. So for example, using the built-in function, the number of, I'm taking the number from 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 5. If it is, I'm taking, I want to know the length of the particular given number, so I'm just using the LE length of particular number. If a sum of and type of, all those built-in function can be used without any importing the particular files. It's also already available functions in your program by using the standard library here. So when I come with the file and system operation of OS and system, here the OS module, which is comes under the interact with the operating system, which is manage the file directories and environment variables. When I go with the system modules, which is access system specific parameter and functions, which is including the command line arguments and Python runtime here. So which is common OS operation, where we working with the system, which is importing the OS. When I go with the system, which is import the system and get current directory here. When I go with the operating system here, when I work with the system, command line arguments are normally used, that is ARG, the system.arg is imported here. So this is the start and check start of your program. Every file importing, we just using the OS. Here we just print the version of the particular files we can exit, or also the system used for the exit of your particular module path. Also when I want to print a particular path, we just using the keyword sys assist.path here. Next I go with the text processing with the string and re module. When the string constants, which is predefined character set of the validations and manipulation, which is for, and when I'm importing the string, the available constants are, when I'm printing the string, ASCII letters. Yes, of course, yes. When we go with the particular string and which is needed of ASCII value for the particular letters or the text. When I print the string with the digits and also punctuations also we can print here. So normally for the regular expression which is a power pattern matching with the text manipulation by using the re module keyword. So when I import the re, so you find all the when I taking the example, like when I find the email addresses with the where the pattern is so and so, I'm just giving here. So the email that is which is find all the pattern and text which is replace the pattern by using the clean or making the re of particular text from this to this. I'm just replacing the text here pattern here. The regular expression which is providing the flexible means for the matching the strings of the text and which is making the complex text processing task very easily here. So date time handling with the date time, which is the date time object which is represents the specific movement in time, which is with the date and time components. With the date object which is only for the date, year, month and day, which is without any time information. With the time object which is represents only the time of the day independent, which is the particular date here. So time data which is represent duration of the difference between the two dates or a particular time. So this is the thing we just want to implement in our program. So from date time, I'm just import the date time for the current particular date and time. So now if I want to current time, I'm just using now date time dot now of function. So here I just print the date and time. If it is I'm taking the date in arithmetic, that is arithmetic calculation. So when I taking the tomorrow, that is if I want tomorrow days now plus I'm just taking the 1 day added into it, and a week ago when then which is accessible as now, time date will be week 1 here. So I'm just taking the date from the strings and here on just pass the date time and calculate the difference between the duration, that is tomorrow's and today's, which is we are taking as a hours, and until the tomorrow how calculation will be difference will be displayed here. So yes, mathematical operation of math and random. So normally math and random we just taking it as a print math function, and also it is printing the function of particular function dates, and random module which is import the random with the random floats of integers, and we just using the sum of the modules here. So finally mind map, with the mind map Python standard library, which is a core function, built-in types and input output functions, and then we just go making the system operations of OS and path library and file input output function. For the text processing we just go with the string methods and re and text swap methods, and finally data structure we just making the collections and iterated tools for them. So we just make an overview of Python standard library functions, how it's most important, how we are using, how utilizing it effectively. In next class we just making the program, we just discuss the program in detail. Thank you so much.